mistake, help me! Hey yo, Trump, what are you doing here?
Hey, Mr. Lemon, what is going on?
How cool was that, eh? Well, that was all done by AI. Remember when it took ages and years to develop and create games like proper 3D games? What if I told you AI changed the game completely? And you can do this now in literally seconds? So you also want to know how you can create your own game using AI? Well, you are in luck because, hey there, and how are you doing? In this video, I am going to show you how you can create your own 3D game using AI. So are you excited? Well, let's dive right in. So click the 3D Game Maker link in the description and let's get started. After it has been loaded, you can see on the left the information about what the controls are. We can use our mouse and drag it to change the camera view. Now we can just walk and jump and also get in a car. Yeah, I am having some fun driving this car right now, but no worries, later in the video I will show you even cooler things. Ha ha ha, nice. Now when we press escape on our keyboard, we can use our mouse again. Now we can click on Scenarios and then choose out of these different options to start a different mode. For example, the oval race. Or this one. It is really cool. We can also, here on World, change the speed and sun. There are a lot of settings that can be tweaked. Let's press this blue return button. Okay, nice. Now I want to show you an even better thing. Now simply type here what you would like to add to the game and it will be added. You can also pick one of these suggestions, but let's type Donald Trump. Now press enter, or this symbol with your mouse.
Donald Trump.
Did you hear that? There is also a voiceover when you type things here. Look at that. Now we can choose which Donald Trump we want. To be honest, I'm not quite sure what 1, 2, 3, etc. means. But when I press it, I keep respawning at the same location. We can even add a rocket launcher.
I want the player to shoot bullets from the rocket launcher.
Ha 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 ha, I haven't been able to pick this one up, it seems too heavy. Let's spawn Kamala Harris.
Kamala Harris.
Let's spawn Trump again.
Donald Trump.
Oh, there he is. He is so small all of a sudden. Now let's spawn zombies randomly.
Spawn zombies randomly.
Oh my god, this was a mistake. Help me. Let's get in the car, quick. Bruh, why am I in the passenger seat? I've got to spawn a Lamborghini now.
Lamborghini.
Yo, where is my Lambo? Let's try it again.
Lamborghini.
Yo, that is not a Lambo, that is a Lego car. But okay, let's get away from the zombies. Oh my god, a helicopter! Finally we can go! Oh, what? Bruh, it crashed. Ah, that's why. The Lambo suddenly pops up. Okay, let's pick this Lambo. Okay, this is a weird Lambo, but luckily it drives. Let's quickly delete the zombies. Let's create the city of Paris. Oh well, let's add a Cybertruck.
Cybertruck.
Haha, this is a lot of fun, and I believe I only scratched the surface of what is possible with this amazing 3D game maker. Before I'm going to show you the end montage, let me do the outro. And that's it. Now it's up to you. Create your own 3D game using AI. Discover all its possibilities and let me know in the comments what amazing things you created. Have a lot of fun. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll never miss another Mr. Lemon video. See you in the next video. Bye. Here is the end montage. Hey yo, Trump, what are you doing?
Hey, Mr. Lemon, what is going on?
Oh my god, this was a mistake. Help me. Help me.